right, we have the lines popped for the starter and the shingles going up the roof line. What we're going to do now is measure on the side, because we're going to run starter strip plus all the way around the eaves and the rakes. So you're going to pull a 3/4 inch overhang, come over here and mark your 7 3/4. Then we're going to go to the top and do the same thing. And we'll go ahead and pop this line, and we'll go ahead and run all this starter out, and we'll start banging on shingles. All right, we have everything popped out. We have our 7 3/4 and our 13 1/4, and then 11s all the way up the roof. We've measured from the top down. We came up with 2.5 here and 2.5 on the other side of the roof. That way we know our ridge run will look completely straight and even. That course will be beautiful. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna install the starter strip. The starter strip is gonna stick past 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and take this piece and line it up. I'm sure you can see this blue line. This is the vertical starter strip line. This is the horizontal starter strip line. We're gonna line this up right with it. And you can see we have a good 3/4 inch overhang on there. And we're gonna go ahead and nail this. OC says to nail it 2 to 3 inches above, so we're gonna go here. And you wanna do either 4 or 5 nails going across this. We're gonna go with 4. Just like that. We're gonna take another piece, line it up with this edge. You can see the vertical blue line. We have a good 3/4 inch overhang. 2 to 3 inches in. One thing you don't want to do is nail close to the edge, because what will happen if I nail here, it's going to blow through the drip edge and show on the other side. So about halfway is a good rule of thumb. What we're going to do from here, I'm going to go ahead and do the perimeter, go up this side, and then we'll come back and start running courses of shingles.